Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today again I came back with a interesting scenario on the DAX, which you will solve in two ways. And on the end of this video, we can able to know what is the use of the last non-blank function, how to use it, and how to implement it. Right? Let's see. So at the scenario is very simple. So I have a very basic table where the course, the date, and the number of enrolled. So there are some couple of courses I have. So for the each day or whichever the day it got enrolled, how many students got enrolled? Suppose if I talk to 29th January 2021, 280 students got enrolled. So like that, every month there are something, right? So what I need is that I want the course and the month and what is the last enroll amount, last enrollment, the count of the student. Okay, so if I talked about the January, I have enrolled for 280. Okay, if I talked about the February, so this is so first 15th I have 500, then it got increased by the end of the month, it is got 600. So the number of students enrolled for that February month should be 600. So like that, I need the count. Okay, so this data we need to count it. So basically, I already loaded this data. It's basically two sets of data, very simple data. I just created a this is my the enroll table which I just show in the Excel, and I created just a calendar uh, table just with the calendar auto, and I took it the month and month number and sort based on this because this is the information I needed for that. Okay, and I created a very basic pivot table or a matrix table where I get the course and month. That's it. Whenever you are that. Now for the each month we want the how many students got enrolled, right? That we want to calculate. Let's see how to do that. So let's quickly create a new measure here. So last month enrolled count, right? So let me put it. So what do we need to do? Calculate. Okay. What do you want to calculate here? The number of enrolled, right? Some so number of enrolled. Sorry, sum of number of enrolled. This one, the number of enrolled, or you can create a separate measure also, the total enrolled. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, or in this case, I need the max actually, not the sum, because I need the maximum, right? So I go for max here. Okay, so what is the filter? I need to put it here. Let's see. So here, suppose just check it out. Okay, here in this visualization, I have a filter called Jan, Feb, and month. It is coming from the my date table. So when this filter will be goes on, okay, let's take Feb. It will go to my enroll table. So this is my enroll level. February month comes up, so it will be just filter out based on the February, right? So these are the February dates for me. 3 dates or 4 dates, whatever maybe. Like these are the 4 dates I have. So these are the amounts I have, right? Number of enrollments here. So for that, I want to the sum, right? Maximum, whatever the things I have, correct? So for the Power BI, let's say these two data are available. So out of that, I need to get the max, right? So you need to scan each date for the enrollment equals to maximum date on the date table itself. So this two list is compared to the max out of this. So this list is two dates equals to the max of dates. That's what you need to put the filter here. Okay. So let's go here. So I will say filter my enroll table. Okay. What I need to do first, I need to put enroll date, the list equals to max of enrolled date. That's it. Right. So this is the way we can get it your last month, the maximum of that. Let's see. Just put it out here. Exactly. We are getting total is not required in this case. So you can just remove it. So here Basically January is 280. So you see, January's last is 280. Fab for the Power BI is 600. Yeah, this is coming as 600. Absolutely fine. This is okay. So this is the first way. Another way you can use the last non-blank function. So instead of trying this, so let's another function I would write it here. So another new measure. Let's take one. Here instead of doing all this filter and thing now, you can do just last non-blank. So that now the function returns the last value in the column for which the expression has a non-blank value. Okay. So if you talked about these two Power BI, right? These two Power BI on the February month. These are the two lists, right? Out of them, what is the last non-blank? Last non-blank will be this, right? If I sort the date based on ascending order, then this will be the my last, right? Let's suppose for the March, these are the March records, right? These two for the Power BI. See, if I sort it based on this, then it will be the last record will be this. That's I want to fetch it. The last non-blank function always returns the last value on that list. Okay, got the point? Okay, so what I'll do, last non-blank enrolled date, and there is a typical expression you can put anything, but in this case last non-blank, there is a typical feature that it will not sort the order automatically. Okay, you need to give certain things based on that it should sort it. So here actually the data is entered in sort order, but the last non-blank will not understand this is the sort order. So we need to give the sort order. So for that, the second expression which I'm writing here, I'm giving again the date. So this, the last function which I'm giving now, the last column which I'm giving, this is nothing but to give the sort order, and default will be the ascending order. Okay. Now, if I enter this, this is also, let's see the same data or not. Exactly the same or not. Let's see. Drag this. Sorry, not here. On this table itself. See, exactly the same output. Okay. There is no change at all. So these are the two ways you can implement uh, this use case. Last on blank, and either go to the each table to the enroll table and just equals to the max of each and every date row by row. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching this. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like this, and give the likes. Okay, and please do subscribe, please. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.